Hey guys, in this video, we will be learning how to create a door on a free modeling wall, as you can see from this picture. Alright, let's get started. First thing, go right into your business center. Once you're into your business center, click onto product and then select my. So click onto texture. So what do we need is, we need to upload our very own door, okay, a texture of our door. Alright, so basically I've uploaded this. So what you need to do is fill in all this information. For material properties, you can either choose a matte wood panel or maybe a matte solid wood. Alright, so make sure you give it a size. Alright, so I'm going to follow the standard door size 900 by 2001. Alright, so upload the door picture, which I get it from Google. Alright, so if you have your own picture, you can just upload the door picture, and then make sure you click onto a category. Alright, so how do you create a category? So it's over here. Just click onto category, click onto texture, and then just add a new category. Alright, so once you're done selecting your category, then all you can do is just submit. Alright, so right now we have uploaded our very own texture, which is our door. Okay, so this is a free modeling wall which I've built already. So what we can do is straight away click onto system cabinet. So what we need to do is use a panel. Alright, so over here I'm going to use a flat wall panel. Alright, so you may either use a superboard to create, or you can use this flat wall panel. Alright, so I'll just place it onto my free modeling wall. I'm going to resize it, so my height would be 2100 and for my width is going to be 900. Alright, so now let me just adjust. So I'm moving it to the right slightly. Okay, so now once I'm done creating the panel of my door size, I can just click onto my material, click onto my, and then select the category which you have chosen earlier. Alright, so which is this one. So click onto it and click on choose. Alright, so this is how to create a door on a free modeling wall.